Good morning, fellows. My name is Ali, and I warmly welcome all of you in another forecast video of Euro USD and the precious metal gold. Guys, today is June 19th, and it's a Friday, which means that today is going to be the last working day or last trading day for this week. Therefore, we can expect investors to have a volatile session because most of the traders would like to close their positions. They would like to do profit taking because most of them would not like to hold their positions during the weekend. We never know which fundamentals are going to be coming out during the weekend. Therefore, people will try to close their positions today. And considering this sentiment, we can expect some movement in the market today. Anyways, let's take a look at the precious metal gold. Guys, the market is consistently forming ascending triangle pattern. As you can see, the market is facing market fell down, and then market is rising above. Let me change the color of color of the marker because it's not showing properly. Anyways, here it is. Okay, so as we see, the markets fell down, and then markets are rising, and after that market again fell down and again rising, again fell down. One thing that you will observe that the market is forming highs high while the highs low are smaller than the previous low, which means once again when market goes up, the market goes down, the low is smaller than the previous low, which means that if the low was there, the next low is around there, the next low is around there, which means that every time the number of sellers are getting lesser and lesser while the number of buyers are getting more and more in the market. So another thing that you will observe is that the market is not able to violate a resistance level of 1730, if we must say, or if we consider this high, which we should. By the way, I will consider this high because the market, although try to violate this level and reach to this high of 1737 level, but the closing of the candle is below 1733. So let's say the market is gaining a strong resistance around 1733 level. So with this, the market is forming a ascending triangle. This is what we call ascending triangle pattern, and the ascending triangle patterns has a history of breaking on the higher side, which means that we can expect the gold prices to go upward to test the high of 1733, and as soon as market closes above 1733, we can expect market to go after 1744 level for now. On the other hand, if market manages to break below this level, which is 1720, then the next movement, the next support is going to be somewhere around 1706 level for the precious metal gold. Let's try to from the apply the same sentiment for the euro US dollar. Guys, this is a 2 hourly time frame, but let me move to 1 hourly time frame. Okay, so one thing that you are going to observe on the 1 hourly time frame is that the support level which we were discussing about, that this is working as a support level, is has already been violated, and now we can expect market to drop below this particular level. So which means that this particular support level is not working as a support. This is going to work as a resistance level for now. And besides that, one thing that you will observe is this, like the market has also formed a descending triangle pattern. This is also a descending triangle pattern. As you see, market fell down, bounced off, again fell down, again bounced off, and then we have almost two levels which are testing the trend line. Trend line started from there. Then trend line has a second test around there, and now we can expect market to go up, test this particular trend line, and below this we can expect a continuation of a selling trend in the market. And since this is a violation of descending triangle pattern, we can expect some decent movement on the lower side. For example, I am expecting more or less 60 pips movement, at least 60 pips movement on the lower side, which means that this can lead the market towards from like below 1.1220 level, we can expect market to drop at least towards 1.1160 level. So that is going to be the target for today. We can expect market to drop until these particular levels. So guys, good luck for trading today and have a very nice weekend. I hope to see you again on Monday. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye bye everyone.